Sarah Kim. This is my first time to make a video for YouTube, so please don't be harsh. But I'll try my very best to give you a very good and delicious Dakgalbi, Chijeu Dakgalbi, which in English is spicy stir-fried chicken with cheese, lots of cheese, which will guarantee to make you drool. Okay, so let's start. I have about 300 grams of chicken right here, which you can put black pepper right here and soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use the Yamamori brand, which is very good, very tasty. So if you're not sure about your measurements, you can always use a friend. About 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. Okay, so set that aside. And then about a dash of pepper. It's up to you how much pepper you want. For me, about like a teaspoon will do. So just if you have ground pepper, that's fine. But if like me, I have this really neat pepper grinder. You can just put there and then mix it up all together. Okay, that's about enough for me. So you can use your a spoon, or me, I use my chopsticks. I think it mixes better than spoons. So just mix it up all together like this. And then when it's fully mixed, you can just let it marinate for a while you do all the other things, while you get ready all the other things. So we'll just put this aside here. Okay, so now we'll prepare the sauce, the paste, in which the Chijeu Dakgalbi is famous for. So we'll get another bowl, and then let's put garlic. All the garlic here is, so you have to mince the garlic, which I've already minced here. You can mince them a little bit more, like this. So I have about 10 cloves of garlic here, lots of garlic. So for some people who aren't fans of garlic, you can try to omit like half of them. Maybe use like 5 cloves of garlic. That'll do. You just want the taste of garlic in there. Okay, so let's put all that in the bowl. Okay, and then of course fresh is always best, but if like me you don't have access to fresh ginger, you can always use a dried ginger or powdered ginger like this one, which is available in all supermarkets. Let's use like maybe about a teaspoon. I think a teaspoon will do. Okay, and then let's bring the gochujang, or the red pepper sauce. So this one, I think this is more, I think you can give a better price for gochujang in Korean supermarkets or in most Asian marts. I think the price is cheaper. It's about half the price than those in the local supermarkets. So you can measure it in a cup. Let's get about 1/4 cup of this. So I have my cup here, and then let's measure. 1, 2. I think that'll do. Okay, so put all that together with the garlic. And then you have the gochugaru. which is pepper flakes. So you can measure out like a third of a cup of this one. If you're like me who can't stand heat too much, so you can lessen the amount to about half a cup of like maybe 1/8 of a cup will do. Okay, set that aside. Okay, and then you can put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce again. Let's measure 1, 2 tablespoons will do. And then, if you have about a mirin. Mirin is a cooking wine, so if you don't have mirin at home, you can always use about half a cup of water plus sugar plus a little sesame oil. So I'll just pour all this in. It's about the remaining is about half a cup, so I'll just pour all this.